Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install this heads-up display on our Tacoma. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so this will be installed on a 2020 Tacoma TRD off-road. So this will be the main unit. This is the digital display. This will reflect the information into the windshield, and with the help of this film, this will be sticked on the windshield to get a better visual of the information that it's projecting. And then it includes some tools in here that we might need. So I think we don't need all of them. I think all we need here will be the pry tool, which will be this one. It's included. So it has some cable ties, user manual. So we have this cable, this harness in here that is an OBD port style connector. Alright, so first we need to remove this cover. We're gonna use the pry tool that's included in the kit. So this should be very easy. So there you go. Pop it out already. Just work your way around it. Alright. And then just need to pull it out. All right, so be careful on removing this. Don't be like me, broke one tab. All right, so we're not gonna remove the speaker. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it here and then slide it here towards the front, and then we're just gonna drop it down, all the way down. This is a straight shot going down. Okay, so let me show you. It should be somewhere in the bottom now. All right, so the cable is down there, so we're just gonna plug this other end. Just gonna plug this together. Okay, and then this goes to the OBD port up here or down here. All right, then we're gonna test it and start. Okay, all right, so now we just need to press this in. Okay, now we're gonna test it once it's fully seated. So make sure you hear the click. Okay, and we have the film in here, and we're gonna test it inside the garage. All right, so everything is installed in here. Make sure that you install the film to avoid any ghosting on the projection of that info. Okay, so as you can see here, it gives us the information on the door being open. Okay, we have the speed, miles per hour, the green on the bottom, that is the RPM. Also, if you put your turn signal on, it will also display. And also going to the right, of course. Okay, so you can change the values or whatever information that you want to display on this one. Just press the button. So pressing the right button here, that will change the temperature, the voltage. All right, and I don't know what that is, and this other one, I don't know what are this, but those are values that they're gonna show on your heads-up display. Again, this is awesome, especially when you're driving at night. This will be helpful. It shouldn't be distracting because it's still kind of see-through really on this one. Yeah, so it's nice. It's gonna be helpful for sure. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. It's gonna be from Cartrimhome.com, and you can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchases. Again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.